Okay, this time I'm going to do a little bit different. This is going to be kind of like the little fern. I don't know the name of it. But anyway, it's just a kind of a little light, airy fern. So I'm going to do a very light stroke with my tip of my brush. This is a number 3. I'm going to come out just kind of like we did on the feathers, just little bitty things. I like a really light, airy look to it. So I'm doing it you know, with a good bit of space between each one and just using the very tip of my brush. So here we go again. If you wanted to do a little heavier, this is a little heavier. That's a nice thing to add, like when you're doing a bouquet or something, just a filler space to make things kind of look light. And you can even go back and add like little dots at the end of it if you wanted to something like that. Okay, so there we've got. Can you see that?